The first rays of dawn paint the mountain peaks in hues of gold and crimson. It's a new year, a fresh start, and the call of the wild echoes in our souls. Every adventurer worth their salt knows that the success of any expedition hinges on one crucial element: the right gear. This year, we're going to make sure you're prepped and ready to tackle anything Mother Nature throws your way. Let's dive into the must-have gear that will transform your 2025 adventures from ordinary to extraordinary. Alright, let's talk hiking. It's not just about putting one foot in front of the other. It's about pushing your limits, embracing the wilderness, and discovering hidden trails. And to conquer those trails, you need a trusty companion by your side, a top-notch backpack. Now, we're not talking about flimsy day packs here. I'm talking about a backpack that's built for adventure. One with enough compartments to house all your essentials, a hydration system to keep you going, and adjustable straps that distribute weight evenly, even on the most grueling ascents. Remember, a comfortable pack means you can focus on the journey, not the aches in your shoulders. Next up, your boots. These are your loyal steeds, carrying you over rugged terrain and through unpredictable weather. Invest in a pair of durable, waterproof hiking boots that provide ankle support and good traction. Blisters and soggy socks are the last things you want to worry about when you're miles from civilization. Trust me, I've been there. Finally, don't underestimate the power of trekking poles. They might seem optional, but on steep climbs and descents, they're absolute lifesavers. Trekking poles help distribute your weight, reduce strain on your knees and joints, and provide extra stability on uneven ground. Think of them as an extension of your body, helping you conquer any challenge the trail throws your way. Camping. It's about immersing yourself in nature, sleeping under a canopy of stars and embracing the simplicity of life without distractions. But even the most seasoned outdoorsman knows that a successful camping trip hinges on having the right gear. First and foremost, your shelter. A good tent is like a fortress against the elements, providing refuge from rain, wind, and pesky insects. Choose a lightweight, waterproof tent that's easy to set up and spacious enough to accommodate you and your gear. Remember, there's nothing worse than being cramped and uncomfortable after a long day of exploring. Now let's talk sleep. A quality sleeping bag is essential for a good night's rest under the stars. Make sure you choose a bag that's rated for the temperatures you'll be camping in. And for an extra layer of comfort, invest in a lightweight, inflatable sleeping pad. It'll cushion you from the hard ground and ensure you wake up feeling refreshed and ready for another day of adventure. And no camping trip is complete without a reliable camp stove. Forget about struggling to start a fire with damp wood. A portable camp stove lets you whip up a hot meal or a steaming cup of coffee in minutes. Look for a stove that's lightweight, fuel-efficient, and easy to pack. Chapter 3. Water and Safety Essentials. Out in the wild, water is life. Whether you're trekking through scorching deserts or navigating dense forests, having access to clean drinking water is non-negotiable. That's where a portable water filter comes in. These ingenious devices remove harmful bacteria and parasites from water sources, ensuring you stay hydrated and healthy throughout your adventure. Trust me, a bout of giardia is not something you want to experience in the backcountry. Now let's talk safety. Accidents can happen anytime, anywhere, so it's crucial to be prepared. A well-stocked first aid kit is your best friend in the wilderness. Make sure it includes essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications you require. And when it comes to navigation, a reliable compass or GPS device is your lifeline. In the age of smartphones, it's easy to rely on technology, but batteries die, and signals fade. A compass and map are essential backup tools that can guide you back to safety if you find yourself off the beaten path. Learn basic navigation skills. They might just save your life one day. So there you have it, the essential gear to elevate your 2025 outdoor adventures. Remember, the wilderness is a place of raw beauty and untamed power. It demands respect, preparation, and the right equipment. By investing in quality gear, you're not just equipping yourself for a comfortable trip. You're investing in your safety, your peace of mind, and ultimately, the memories you'll carry with you for a lifetime. Now get out there, explore, and create your own extraordinary adventures.